Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm making a giant chocolate chip cookie and I'm turning it into a scrummy summer dessert complete with a creamy lemon cheesecake filling and topped with luscious strawberries and juicy blueberries. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's make the giant cookie by simply mixing together room temperature butter and light brown sugar. You can make this by hand or use an electric mixer. When you have a nice soft mixture, add in a dash of vanilla and an egg and mix again until fully combined. Next up, add the all-purpose flour or plain flour, baking soda, salt and corn flour and mix it all in. By adding corn flour, it stops the cookie from spreading and also gives a nice soft texture. Add in chocolate chips and I'm going to add some walnuts because they give a nice bite to the cookie and mix them together. The cookie dough is ready, so let's get it into a lined 8-inch round tin. Spread it right out to the edge of the tin and smooth the top. This needs to chill in the fridge for 20 minutes before baking in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When it's ready, allow it to cool before removing it from the tin. To make the lemon cheesecake filling, mix together full fat cream cheese, icing sugar, lemon zest, vanilla extract and a little butter. You can keep this in the fridge until you're ready to use it and it will thicken up too. Spoon the lemon cheesecake filling on the giant cookie and spread right out to the edge. Now add the fruit to the centre and I'm using strawberries and blueberries for this giant cookie. Of course you can experiment with your own favourite fruit combinations too. Decorate the giant cookie however way you like. I find this a really nice way of presenting this giant cookie and looks really attractive too. That's it, all done. Just look at that giant chocolate chip cookie topped with a lovely lemon zesty cheesecake filling and covered in my favourite strawberries and blueberries. Now treat yourself and your loved ones of course to this delicious treat. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more delicious recipes like this one. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!